Okay, what's it look like this time? Okay, we're starting to get some of this to come in now. Okay, I'm going to re-square this up, make sure it didn't move. I've been banging on it pretty hard. Okay. This is a terrible cut. Ooh, that was not a lot of clearance over there. See how bad my location is here, my cutter. A little low, but not too bad. Should be alright. Should be able to feed all the way across now without hitting everything. Still pretty tight. A little cleaner this time. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Let's see, not quite hitting that. We are hitting that one. That's all hitting. That's all hitting all the way across. Barely, not quite hitting there. Not quite hitting over there yet a little bit. Okay, so it wouldn't hurt to hit a little bit deeper. Roughly about how deep we are right now. We're just under 1.5 inches now. That's not the machine surface. This is the machine surface over here. Okay, we're just under 1/600. Hoping to be above 1/600. We're under 1/600. So we need to go a little bit deeper to catch the rest of these surfaces, so I got a good holding spot. So one more cut. Would be close to 550, probably 560. Talk about 20 or so. Got a bad feed gear here, so I got a babysit it. About every 400,000 stop feeding, you know. Right there, quit feeding, long enough steady pressure, looks good, and pick it back up. Grab it again. A couple turns later, does it again. One more time, just let it go. Right there to the surface. Okay. Haven't fed all the way across this time. Not quite hitting right here. Right here in that corner, or that corner. I'm good for that. Good. Good direction. This one feeds all the way. That does not sound like it's really happy with cutting. That's very pissed off. What the fuck? What is that rubbing on? That is one pissed off cutter, dude. Called cutting bit is not cutting. It's rubbing off. It's rubbing down here. Alright. Yeah, we gotta do something different. See, that's not a cut, that's a rub. Still comes off, but not as good. So I gotta move that cutting bit out a little bit. Not happy. That is not the way you're supposed to do that. That's the way I'm going to do it. Just hanging out there. Boy, that was not happy at all. That again. Cutting now. You hear the difference. Just a hot coming off there. cleared. Ew. Started cutting crappy again. It's not a happy cutter. Yeah. Very, very unhappy cutter. Alright. That cutter is pissed off at me. Still has an edge on it. My guess this is a way undersized cutter. So if you put in there one that's correct size, it might actually cut better. Let's find out. Well, it's still going to be pissed off at me. The cutter is too far out. See, it's rubbing right here, it's not cutting. My guess is it's pushed the cutter in so deep the cutter's being pushed over. So this cutter does not even hit in the correct spot anymore. And you kind of see how it is doing that. Which makes it even worse. Yep. Time to modify the cutter. Time for a cutter rebuild. So we got to get this burr away from the edge. I got to grind that away a little bit more than what it is. Let's be able to work on this. Be back.